This here is a very rare occurrence here. What we have here is we have Michelle with a Windex bottle. Now that never happens, nor does it rarely happen that she ever cleans. So this here is just amazing.
I clean. I clean when I start to get sick of the.
Look at this.
I clean when I start to get sick of the mess. And this morning I got sick of the mess.
Look at this. This is amazing.
It's not.
She's okay.
I always clean. Well,
what is she gonna do with those crumbs? That's the question.
It goes on here. The crumbs go on here. There's not that much crumbs. It's all powder from the garlic powder. See, baby, I clean. I clean. That's
another rare occurrence is she's wearing shorts.
It's like 140 degrees. That's why. I only wear shorts when it's over 100 degrees.
Most of the time I see her bundled up in overalls and like 4 layers of flannels and scarves. Overall flannels and a scarf.
I don't wear flannels and I don't wear scarves.
Oh, Jesus. But anyway, so she's got legs. We found that out today. Okay. Signing off.